It's another chilly Thursday. It's February 27th, 2014. Good morning. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. We do have some scattered snow showers out there. We'll take a look at the latest radar in just a second here. We will have one day of sunshine before a wintry mess approaches the area for this weekend. Get the latest details and much more starting right now. Don't like cold and snow, I suggest you just look away from this particular radar image because we don't have much good news here, unfortunately. I know I'm tired of the cold and the snow, and I'm ready for spring. If we can find it, that would be great. Right now, though, we see a lot of cold air in place. We have negative numbers well back into the northern plains, anywhere from 0 down to almost 20 below in spots. Across our area, we're in the teens this morning. We're just going to go lower through the day pretty much. Look at this, 20s, even some 30s, all the way down to southern Texas, now along the Gulf Coast, and even along the southeastern coast, 20s and 30s. Atlanta only in the mid-20s this morning. That's pretty cold for them. Out west, you're getting some rain, which you need out there, which is good. Some snow up in the Sierra Nevada mountains. And we also have some warmer temperatures across southern Florida, but again, they're also getting some rain too. Now let's take a look at the wonderful snow we have across our area this morning, and we're looking at a little bit of lake enhanced snow. There's a trough coming through right now, so it's picking up some lake moisture, occasionally making the snow a little bit heavier at times. And here's a pretty good clip of snow right now that runs through much of Cuyahoga County. Also another clip of snow right along I-90 in Lorain County, and then also along 422 here. I'm sorry, this is 322 here into Geauga County. And some of this could be heavy at times, and it's going to reduce visibility, so the roads are going to get slick too. Moderate snow here at Cuyahoga County Airport, heavy snow downtown Cleveland at Lakefront, and heavy snow also out at Cleveland Hopkins. So this heavy burst of snow is going to move inland, it's going to move to the south and east, it's going to make the roads snow covered, and it's really going to slow you down as we continue through the day. So expect that to push off to the south and east into northern Summit, northern Medina, northern Portage County here within about the next half an hour or so. Temperatures this morning were anywhere from about 16 to 19 degrees depending on where you're at, but pretty much right in that 3-degree spread there. Temperatures are going to slowly fall through the day. These are going to be the warmest temperatures of the day as more colder air comes in for tonight. Yesterday's high was 21 degrees, the low 12. Look at this, our average high 41 degrees. We are 20 degrees below the average high, and we're going to do probably another 10 degrees below yesterday's high. So we're looking at temperatures 30 degrees below average. Absolutely ridiculous. The record high 66. Boy, what I would give for a temperature like that today. 2.6 inches of snow for yesterday. We're at 22.8 inches for the month. You can bet we're going to add more to that today. Sunrise is at 7:05 a.m. and sunset is at 6:15 p.m. We have a wind chill advisory in effect through 10 a.m. Friday across much of the area. Columbiana, Carroll, and Tuscarawas counties not included. The rest of us are wind chills -10 to -15 through this time period. Now, where you're not under the wind chill advisory, it's still going to be cold. It looks like wind chills there are just going to be under the criteria for the advisory. So you're looking at -5 to -10 or so. It's going to be windy, of course, through Friday morning. Our forecast for this Thursday, snow across the area. We saw on the radar the snow coming through. That's going to drop a quick inch or two. Overall accumulation should be about 1 to 3 inches. However, a couple locations may end up with 4 where the snow's able to persist. Again, wind chills -10 to -15. Our high 17 with gradually falling temperatures through the day. Windy out there, west-northwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. You can see scattered snow through much of the day with falling temperatures. A little bit of lake effect to end the afternoon. As we head into tonight, the snow will taper off as high pressure begins to work into the area. Clouds will clear out, the winds will calm down, the temperatures will fall below zero. Welcome to Ohio. Tonight's low, -3. Brrr. Over the next 7 days, I don't have much better news for you, unfortunately. 15 is going to be our high on Friday. The good news is the sun comes out. Yay! It's going to be cold, though, unfortunately. Then we get into some really questionable weather here. Saturday, we're going to get warmer. I'm going with 37 for right now, with a rain to snow mix. So start as snow early, overnight Friday and Saturday morning. Then it's going to mix with some rain, maybe a little sleet. Not going to be a big deal right now the way it's looking. It'll change to some snow Saturday night before the next big system moves in for Sunday, what we've been talking about for several days. Still a lot of questions with this system. We're noticing now some trends in the models. They want to come back north, bring the heavier snow over us. Really not sure what's going to happen yet, so I'm going to stick with the snow to a mix of precipitation. I think there will be some mixed precipitation somewhere in our area. It's going to be windy. We'll go with a high of 34 for right now, but we're just going to put a big question mark on this because it's really hard to say what's going to happen. When I put this forecast together, there was about a 20-degree difference in temperatures in some models, so lots of questions to be answered here. Monday, though, regardless, snow showers, especially in the morning, will taper off. It'll be windy as a cold front goes through. You can see it's going to be much colder. 19 for Monday, sun and clouds for Tuesday and Wednesday. More cold. 17 on Tuesday, 12 on Wednesday, lows near 0. Come on, spring, any day now. Stay with NeoWeather.com for the very latest forecast, especially on this weekend's upcoming potential winter storm.